Hello and welcome to my channel. I've just arrived in London and going to head down towards Soho. I've got the FujiFilm X100 with me. Lovely little camera. I'm going to mainly be shooting in black and white today. So you can see I've got the screen on black and white at the back. It's a nice little articulating, well, it's not articulating, it just swings out like that. So it's not a fully articulating one like my Canon. The f-stop's fairly easy to change on this. You can just change the dial at the front. So I'm going to be on about 5.6, maybe 6.3, something like that. 6.4. The ISO is on automatic and I'm on about 250th of a second shutter speed. I need to make sure my focus point's in the middle. This is a lovely little camera. It's nice and quiet. It's fairly discreet, although I'm not that discreet, I suppose, with a GoPro on the front. But anyway, let's get some warm-up shots and see how this performs, see how I perform. I'm going to try and get these reflections. I'm just trying to get the BT tower coming out the top. See if we can get this person on the phone on the bus. Trust the bus will stop right there. Of course, there's no zoom on this camera. It's just a fixed focal length, but that's okay. That's less to worry about. I think last time I was in London, I was looking at detail and less of people. But today, I'm just keeping an open mind about the sort of shots. Always got to keep your eyes open for opportunities. A bit like this opportunity with this chap here under the tree. Just thought that was a nice shot, and then these two just in the light pocket. Thought that would make a nice black and white, like most of them today. So here I just want to get some motion blur, cyclists going past so I can blur the background. So I've lowered the shutter speed right down to 1/15th of a second. I'm just going to get one more here. Quite happy with that one. Now don't forget to keep watching because my favourite are at the end of this video. Some with the London Eye. This one I was just getting the cyclist coming past. Now just a look up shot here, and I think this is nice in black and white with the white sky that I'm dealing with there. this shot is my favourite shot of the day, or one of my favourite anyway. Really like that one. Just got to get this red Mini. And here I'm just using the wall as a bit of a leading line going through the person sitting at the other end. And again, this chap looked interesting, so I thought I'll get him. And I've taken photos here before, but I think this is a great little place to get some photos of people walking past the black and white building and then put them into black and white. Just going to get this lady here. Can't resist this small lane with the yellow lines as leading lines down to that lady walking towards me. And here I'm just getting the chap putting the lock on his bike, but I've tried to cut the bikes out so it leaves a bit to the imagination. Now here I love these shadows as leading lines, but the girl kept looking at me, so I thought I'll take one above her first, then I'll take one of the scene over on that right, and then I'll come back and get one of her with the shadows as leading lines going towards her. I'm quite happy with that shot. It just makes me feel better. And here I just wanted this lady in between the two statues. Shadow and the light leading your eyes through, and I was just waiting for somebody to come in front of this door, and there she is. And here I just wanted some people to walk in between the people on the poster, and I'm quite happy with that one. Got the shadow and the light pocket. Now here you might think this chap is interesting, but I was more interested in the reflections of that building in the background. But I've got a bonus, I've got that interesting chap. And this chap looked interesting as well, so I thought I'll just get him taking a puff of his cigarette. I can't help taking shots of people coming down a subway and through the railings as a sort of a frame. So I've taken a couple here, one of this chap, and there's another chap just coming down. And I thought this would make a nice scene, it gives you a bit of the atmosphere of Piccadilly circus. And then I've just taken one of Eros at the top so I can crop in. I'm quite happy happy the way that's cropped in. It's a really good sensor on this camera, so you can crop in. Here I was just trying to see what I could do with this turtle and get in the background, just experimenting really. You've got to try these things, and here's a few more snaps from that particular area before I moved on. Couldn't help to take one of this chap, but I felt that it would be better from the other end. You have the wall leading towards him, so I've come out and taken one going back. And here I saw these two ladies and I wanted to use them as a frame, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm just lining up now behind them and get one across the road, and I've used those as a bit of a frame, just something different. Now to my favourite set. I'm down opposite the London Eye and I'm just waiting for a cyclist to come past. I've got low. That's it, really happy with that one. Of a waiting game for these shots, and I've just got another one here, and that's the one I'm really happy with. She's taken her hands off the handlebars, and now I'm going to see if we can get some birds flying past and gulls. Happy with that one, and then just one of all the gulls. But the next couple of shots where I had to wait some time for what I wanted, and I felt that I got what I wanted. If you just look at this, look at that. This silhouette of a bird in the wheel itself, and another one there. And just along this bridge, this is the final photo now, I saw a plane coming past, and I just wanted to try and get the plane and the London Eye in the same shot, and there it is. Really happy with that one. If you got this far, I'd like to thank you very much for watching, and if you like the video, please give me the thumbs up. It always helps the channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss my future trips. And I look forward to seeing you on my next trip.